This is not restaurant food. It's lunch at home. Just snake gourd and dal. But cooked properly. Come, I will show you the magic unfold. This is how proper dal begins. 3/4 cup toor dal. 1/2 cup moong dal. Straight to the sink. Rinse under running water. No soaking, no waiting. Add 3/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1¼ teaspoon salt and 3½ cups fresh water. 3 whistles on medium flame. Now the flavor. Add 1½ tablespoons oil. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. This platter. 2 medium onions. 2 slit green chillies. Cook till lightly golden. Don't rush this step. 1½ inch ginger. 5 garlic cloves. Cook 30 seconds. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Cook till jammy and slightly glossy. This is where the body develops. 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander stems and leaves. Let it cook together for 2 minutes. This builds freshness into the base, not just at the end. Add 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon hing. Cook 1 minute. Now add 3/4 teaspoon tamarind paste. 12 cashews blended smooth. Cook 2 minutes. Add the dal. After pressure cooked, whisk the dal smooth. It should be soft, thick, but flowing. Add 3/4 cup hot water. Let it simmer on low flame for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally so it doesn't stick. When you drag a spoon through it, it should leave a soft trail. That's the right consistency. Meanwhile, let's make the tadka. 1 tablespoon ghee. 5 sliced garlic cloves. Cook till lightly golden. Turn off the flame. Now add 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder to the hot ghee. Let it bloom for just a second. Immediately pour this over the dal. You'll hear that sizzle. Crush 1½ teaspoons kasuri methi between your palms. Add it to the dal. Squeeze fresh lemon, about 1/2 to 3/4 lemon. Add a small handful of fresh chopped coriander. Mix gently. Let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. And that's it. Thick, balanced dal with that fresh garlic tadka on top. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Just simple food, cooked properly. Serve it hot with rice, maybe a little ghee on top, and you're sorted.